In this video, you'll learn how to grant accountant access in QuickBooks Online so your bookkeeper or tax professional can work directly in your company file safely and efficiently. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. On the left navigation panel, click on My Accountant. This is the dedicated hub for collaborating with accounting professionals. Click the Add Accountant button to start the invitation. A small form will appear asking for your accountant's name and email. Enter their correct name in an active work email. This is where QuickBooks will send the secure invitation. Double-check the spelling to ensure the invite reaches them. You don't need to create a password or share yours. QuickBooks handles the security for you. Once you send the invite, your accountant will receive an email from QuickBooks with a link to accept. If they already have a QuickBooks account, they can sign in and accept immediately. If not, they'll be prompted to create a free account first. Until they accept, their status will appear as pending in your My Accountant section. After they accept, your accountant will have accountant-level access to your company file. This allows them to perform tasks like bank reconciliations, adjusting entries, month-end reviews in tax preparation without affecting your login or settings. You remain in control, and they get the tools they need to keep your books accurate and compliant. A few tips. Only invite trusted professionals. Confirm you're in the correct company if you manage multiple accounts, and use the My Accountant section anytime you need to manage access. That's it. Click My Accountant, choose Add Accountant, enter their name and email, and once they accept the invitation, you're all set to collaborate confidently in QuickBooks Online.